In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome ran out of memory. Snap. Error. This message usually means Chrome doesn't have enough memory to load a page, often because too many tabs or apps are open, an extension is misbehaving, or cached data is getting in the way. We'll start with quick fixes and move into deeper solutions if you still see the error. Begin by closing any tabs you don't need and quit other applications running on your computer. Resource-heavy apps can quickly eat up RAM, and freeing some up often resolves the issue immediately. Next, give your computer a full restart. A restart clears temporary files and refreshes system resources, which can quietly fix background conflicts. After your system is back up, try simply reloading the page that failed. If it was a temporary glitch, a reload is often all it takes. If the problem persists, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to All Time, then click Clear Data. This can remove corrupted cached items, but remember, you may be signed out of some sites afterward. Next, check Extensions, go to More Tools, then Extensions, and disable them all. If the error disappears, turn them back on one by one to find the culprit. Also, make sure Chrome is up to date. Go to Help, then About Google Chrome, and let it check for updates. New versions often include performance and stability fixes. While you're in Settings, open Performance and enable Memory Saver. This feature frees memory from inactive tabs, so your active tab gets priority. For advanced steps, consider resetting Chrome's settings. Go to Settings, then Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This resets your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs, disables extensions, and clears temporary data. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords are not removed. On Windows, you can also adjust virtual memory. Search for View Advanced System Settings. Open the Performance settings on the Advanced tab, click Change under Virtual Memory, uncheck. Automatically manage, and set a custom size if needed. If you suspect unwanted software, run a scan using Chrome's built-in tool or a reputable anti-malware program. And if none of these steps help, uninstall Chrome and reinstall a fresh copy to ensure you're starting clean. Follow these steps in order, testing after each one, and you should be back to smooth browsing without the snap interruption.